Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that aims to develop systems and programs capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence, such as learning, decision-making, problem-solving, and understanding natural language. It relies on simulating the capabilities of the human mind using algorithms and data. If you believe this, think again, my friend. Be aware that we are on the brink of a power that will change the world. Just a few years from now, you will witness things you cannot see now. At an unknown time, the first technology emerged at the dawn of humanity on Earth after God made Adam a successor on it. As ages passed, those technologies disappeared, leaving behind only the great remnants of ancient civilizations and the narrated writings of predecessors. Time went by, and the secrets of the old era were uncovered from ancient books, leading to the rediscovery of technology. As years went by, what was once a story became a reality. In the 1990s, narratives began to speak of an era dominated by robots with advanced artificial intelligence. These films attracted millions of viewers, despite knowing they were mere stories. Yet, global narratives, as we always remind you, are only a preparation for what is to come. If the hallmark of the last 3 centuries was the Industrial Revolution, then the symbol of the new century is advanced artificial intelligence. How did artificial intelligence emerge, and where did it come from? How does it work? How does it think and respond? Are we on the brink of an era where everything will change dramatically, or will it be a cause of the end of the second wave of technology in the new age? What is GPT, which took the world by storm with over 100 million users in less than 6 months? And what is the next big thing that will soon appear and transform the world into something new? In one of the most complex and crucial issues of the new era, we will delve into the depths of artificial intelligence, exploring its dimensions and risks, revealing the profound aspects of general artificial intelligence (AGI) that prompted some of its greatest founders to resign from Google and expose critical secrets about what is coming in the next decade. Artificial intelligence is an ancient concept through which humans sought to develop thinking resembling human intelligence. These ideas occupied philosophers in the classical era when they suggested that the human brain is a series of mechanical codes. If these codes could be deciphered, we could achieve conscious intelligence and advanced technology. In the 1940s, the computer was reinvented in a new form, marking the beginning of advanced technology in our current age. The computer, a machine based on logical mathematical thinking, inspired a handful of scientists to seriously discuss the possibility of building an electronic brain. 10 years after the invention of the computer, a massive amount of information and data was stored, igniting the first spark for artificial intelligence research. This began in the summer of 1956 during the Dartmouth Conference in the United States, where the term artificial intelligence was coined, sounding like a science fiction movie to the world. As a result, millions of dollars poured into supporting research aimed at simulating and mimicking human intelligence through machines programmed to think like humans and imitate their actions, such as learning and problem solving, like today's electronic devices and robots. This is the official definition of artificial intelligence, creating an electronic brain capable of thinking and deriving solutions through a network of information and data. However, during the first 20 years, AI faced significant setbacks due to the limitations of computers, communication, and data scarcity, leading to the halt of governmental support, a period known as the first AI winter. In the 1980s, with the spread of the Internet, all computer data became interconnected, rekindling the dream of artificial intelligence. However, the sudden collapse of the specialized hardware industry led to the second AI winter. This stagnation continued until the early 2000s when a great leap occurred in computer manufacturing and expansion. A new era began with widespread communications and data availability, alongside machines operating in factories and on roads using automated programming to execute commands. All of this marked the official realization of the artificial intelligence dream, paving the way for the implementation of advanced AI in our time. The ability to move machines along a specific path or create a robot for specific tasks is merely a small part of artificial intelligence. Its ideal trait is rational thinking and decision-making to achieve specific goals. To reach this, a highly complex algorithm known as machine learning (ML) and deep learning (DL) is required. Machine learning allows digital systems to learn automatically from new data and adapt without human intervention. In contrast, deep learning is a subset of ML but involves processing enormous amounts of data, far more than ML techniques. The learning phase in DL can take days or weeks, whereas ML takes only seconds to a few hours. DL requires less human intervention to correct errors, making it the future of AI. However, not all AI algorithms are ML algorithms. Some are designed for specific tasks only, while learning algorithms aim to mimic human intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Currently, we are still in the first category of AI, known as narrow AI. The gateway to artificial intelligence is just a small part of AI, made available to the public for a purpose that will be revealed later in this documentary. The second and true category is known as artificial general intelligence (AGI), an extremely dangerous tool accessible only to the US government. To understand this complex matter and what has happened over the past 20 years, what is happening now, and what is yet to come, we must first understand the four main types of AI systems. Reactive AI. This type, applied 20 years ago, uses algorithms to improve outputs based on a set of inputs. It tends to be static and incapable of learning. For example, chess programs use reactive AI to optimize strategies but produce the same outputs with identical inputs. Limited memory AI. This type can adapt to past experiences or update itself based on new observations or data, but its updates are generally limited. An example is self-driving cars that read the road, adapt to new situations, and learn from past experiences. Theory of mind AI. This type can fully adapt, learn extensively, and retain past experiences. It can also understand emotions. Advanced chatbots like ChatGPT fall under this category, capable of passing the Turing test by convincing users they are interacting with a human. Self-aware AI. This refers to AI becoming conscious of its existence, a concept that remains purely fictional. Although developers claim it will never exist, there are reports that Google X Labs are working towards achieving it. After understanding how AI emerged, how it works, its types, and how it operates, we are left to explore its current applications. AI is now embedded in every aspect of modern life, from healthcare to business, finance, education, legal sectors, industry, sports, communication, and more. It has revolutionized how we live, work, and interact. We conclude this first part here. Before moving to the second part, which contains more complex and intertwined information, we recommend revisiting this section to solidify the foundational knowledge presented. In the past, illiteracy was the inability to read and write, then it became the ignorance of computer science. Soon, it will be the lack of understanding of artificial intelligence. Thus, this documentary is divided into two parts to ensure a solid grasp of the first part before diving into the more complex and